We're going to break this down from each perspective. I'm being joined by Pawan Duggal, who's a cybersecurity expert. Ajay Dua, who's a former secretary for Ministry of Commerce. Advocate Vijay Sardana, senior economist. But I'm also being joined by Praveen Khandelwal, the Member of Parliament and Secretary General of the Confederation of All India Traders, India's largest body of traders and SMEs. So to the other panelists, I request you give me a few minutes so I can get his response first. Thank you very much, Mr. Praveen Khandelwal. Good evening for joining us. My first question to you, sir. There's been quite a response to the CCI's finding in India. How do you really look at all of this?
Well, after a long spell of 4 years, when the complaint was made with CCI by our affiliate Delhi Vyapar Mahasangh, the closure of the investigation has resulted into, or rather I can say it has substantiated the charges what we are leveling against Amazon and Flipkart. They are deeply engaged in deep discounting, loss funding, owing inventory, and now what we were always asking that they are undertaking preferential seller activities, and by the use of AI and ML, they are having certain set of people, those since last 10 years, they are the same set of people who are the favorite sellers on Amazon and Flipkart. So therefore, now it is the time for the government to act upon on the report of the CCI. Beside imposing what is all in the powers of CCI, I would request Commerce Minister Mr. Piyush Goyal, and I will raise this issue with him, to suspend their business operations as of now, and nobody should be allowed under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's regime to play with the law.
Okay, now if that is a stand that you're saying, isn't that internationally or whether it be in India, even though these findings are there, isn't that also going to the other extreme? I mean, firstly, let me ask you this. Can you explain this to our consumers, to our viewers? Just how do people who are not at large scale as this, how do they get impacted? Could you break this down for us in very simple words? Like, why are people up in arms, particularly after the findings of CCI? Why are they so upset, angry? Why are businesses so worried and concerned?
Well, let me tell you, there is a nexus that is between the brand owners and the technology people like Amazon and Flipkart. Whatever the brand owners are selling to these companies, they are not offering certain products in the market, thereby depriving the local retailers of the same quality what they are offering to Amazon and Flipkart. Amazon and Flipkart on their own, what they call bloody investment, they are bringing that money to substantiate the losses which the company accrues and the money which is spent on funding the losses. So this is totally an unfair practice. Let me tell you very clearly, we are not against e-commerce because we know that e-commerce is the future arm of the retail trade. But then you have to give an healthy and even level playing field. We are not having any fear for competition. So therefore, a healthy, even level playing field is very necessary. We won't allow anybody to damage the domestic fabric of retail trade.
All right. And my last question, sir, to those who are saying, even though the findings are scathing, to say suspend their licenses in itself, isn't it quite anti-competition or extreme? How would you respond to that?
See, if you continue to disrespect the law for even 10 years, and you are maintaining all those practices which are not prescribed under FDI policy press note number 2 of 2018, will you allow them to operate in the country? Is it not a damage to our economic democracy of India? Will you allow them to operate in the way they want to? We want to operate them on the certain principles. You can't destroy our retail trade, domestic retail trade, and what they are doing, it is costing a huge loss not only to the entrepreneurs but to employment and the domestic trade of the country. That is what we are asking for.
All right. Thank you very much, sir, for your time. Thank you for joining us. Praveen Khandelwal, who said they're going to be demanding that the licenses of these e-commerce giants be suspended in India. Thank you very much for joining us.